India. Matan Kamada Molina Takma. তারপর তদন্ত করে এগিয়ে আছে এসপি ফ্রান্সিস হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি স্কুলের গার্লস ইউনিট মাতান কামান্ডার অলিভিয়া চাকমা।
More than 3,000 new POA Deal House survey completed, which will be sanctioned this year. 87% families provided with drinking water. Solar electrification of unconnected education is going on. So far, Utparam, Chokotpur, Dijitwar, Para, Beha, Para are connected. Gauda RD block has got second position among 500 traditional blocks in the country in the July-September 2005 quarter, with a price money of ₹2 crore. In health sector, 7 out of 14 health substances have been certified under National Quality Assurance Standard. More than 1,000 ACC groups covering over 9,000 families, a credit linkage loan of nearly 4 crores have been provided in the last 6 months. Special project in healthcare sector, ₹1.5 crores sanctioned for mobile medical unit. Regarding the road, Motochandra to Raimoni Para, Salapani 8.95 km has been ongoing. Gurika to FS Terminal 15 km tender process completed. Monotelenka Panchayat Office, Nopara Road to Devendra Para and Satindra Para. Falgunde Para Bhaktiram Para 1.3 km ongoing work. Colony 1 to Kanjai 2.6 km ongoing work. Utparam Para to Discomoni Para by Ableha 4.7 km which is already sanctioned. Gurikhat to Sellam Para by Lalkaran Para 9.7 km sanctioned. Utparam Para to Sarkade Para by Vijaykumar Para 5.7 km sanctioned. Dear respected teachers, parents, my dear youth, students, farmers, and all my beloved brothers and sisters, I extend my heartfelt greetings and respectful salutation to each one of you on this proud and historic occasion of the 77th Republic Day of our great nation, India. Today is not just a national celebration. Today is a reminder of our identity, our strength, and our responsibility as a citizen of India. On this very day, 26 January 1950, our country gave itself a constitution, a sacred promise that every Indian, whether rich or poor, urban or rural, would live with dignity, equality and freedom. The freedom we enjoy today was not gifted to us. It was earned through sacrifice, struggle and suffering. Farmers, laborers, students, women and youth from villages like ours stood shoulder to shoulder in the freedom movement. Many gave up their comfort, many gave up their life, so that our future generation will live with pride. We bow our heads in respect to our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, and countless unsung heroes from our village, whose name in history may not record, but whose sacrifice lives in the soul of this nation. Brothers and sisters, the Constitution of India is the strength of our republic. It teaches us that democracy is not only about voting once in 5 years, it is about honesty in work, respect for others, and responsibility towards society. 77 years later, India stands tall on global stage. We are the nation of 1.4 billion people, united by diversity and strengthened by democratic ideas. Our country has demonstrated resilience in the face of challenge, be it in economic difficulties, global uncertainties, or public health crisis. The strength of India lies in the unity of its people. Today, India is moving forward.